The Supreme Court has yet and again put another set of few questions to the centre. This is on another aspect of COVID-19. It has asked the government here. Remember, just yesterday it had raised the issue of the treatment to migrants. Today it has asked the government to revert on whether private hospitals, which are given land free of cost, can treat COVID patients for free. So this should also be taken into consideration of private hospitals treating patients for free only related to the coronavirus. Supreme Court seeking a reply from the central government on the same. We have with us our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja getting us those details. Meenakshi, this is the second day and once again, this has been a suo motu cognizance of this?
Well, Sahir, you have referred to a large part of what has transpired in court, and this is the second issue after the migrants issue, which the Supreme Court is looking to revisit. Remember, what had happened was this, that on an earlier occasion, the Supreme Court had obviously passed an order pertaining to one aspect, which was the free testing aspect of COVID patients. That was the order dated 8th of April, which was subsequently modified by the Supreme Court at the behest of the ICMR. To include only those patients who fall within the EWS category or who are under the Ayushman Bharat category to be provided low-cost testing in hospitals on COVID-related issue. So this is another COVID-related issue where the Supreme Court has sought a reply from the central government whether such hospitals can be identified who have been given land either free of cost or at a very nominal cost. These are charitable hospitals, the Supreme Court feels, and why should they not be rendering out treatment for free to underprivileged patients? So the responses of central government and ICMR on this issue will be highly critical to determine the roadmap ahead that the Supreme Court will take on this issue. Both these authorities have been given 1 week to reply.
Okay, this is once again treatment at a nominal cost. More importantly, facility that should be provided under the Ayushman Bharat scheme that the central government, the ICMR, needs to answer. Meenakshi, thank you for those details.